Welcome to our exploration of how hurricanes are changing the face of the American South. In this video, we will dive into the increasing frequency and intensity of hurricanes, examining how these powerful storms are reshaping the landscape and communities across the region. From severe economic impacts to shifting population patterns, we will uncover the multifaceted effects of these natural disasters. Additionally, we'll highlight the innovative ways communities are adapting infrastructure and mobilizing grassroots efforts to build resilience. Join us as we navigate the intersection of hurricanes, environment, and human response in the American South. 1. The increasing frequency of hurricanes. In recent years, the number of hurricanes hitting the American South has noticeably increased. This uptick is not just a coincidence. Climate scientists point to rising sea surface temperatures as a major factor. Warmer oceans provide more energy for storms, making them more likely to form and strengthen. For example, the 2020 hurricane season saw a record-breaking 30 named storms, with many impacting southern states like Louisiana, Texas, and Florida. This increase in frequency means that communities have less time to recover and rebuild between storms, leading to long-term challenges. 2. Stronger storms bring greater destruction. Not only are hurricanes more frequent, but they are also becoming more powerful. A storm's intensity is measured by its wind speed and the amount of rain it produces. Recent hurricanes have shattered records, with some reaching Category 5 status, the highest on the scale. Hurricane Michael in 2018, which devastated parts of the Florida Panhandle, is a stark example. The storm's 160 mph winds and heavy rainfall caused widespread damage, highlighting the need for stronger infrastructure and better preparedness in the region. 3. Economic impacts on the southern economy. The economic repercussions of hurricanes in the South are profound. These storms can cause billions of dollars in damages, affecting homes, businesses, and infrastructure. The insurance industry, for instance, faces immense pressure as claims skyrocket after each hurricane. Moreover, industries vital to the southern economy, such as agriculture and tourism, often bear the brunt of these storms. Crops can be destroyed, and tourist destinations damaged, leading to job losses and financial instability for many residents. 4. Shifting populations and migration patterns. As hurricanes become more frequent and intense, some people are choosing to relocate. This shift in population can alter the demographics of the region. Coastal communities, which are most vulnerable to hurricanes, are seeing an outflow of residents moving inland to seek safety. This migration can have a ripple effect, impacting local economies and changing the cultural landscape. For some, moving away from the coast is not an option due to financial constraints, leading to discussions about climate justice and the need for equitable solutions. 5. Effects on natural habitats and wildlife. The natural environment of the South is also transforming due to hurricanes. Coastal wetlands, which act as natural barriers against storm surges, are being eroded. This loss not only reduces protection for inland areas but also affects the wildlife that depends on these habitats. Species such as the Louisiana black bear and various bird species face new challenges as their homes are damaged or destroyed. Conservation efforts are being ramped up to protect these vital ecosystems, but the task is becoming increasingly difficult with each passing storm. 6. Adapting infrastructure for resilience. With the changing hurricane patterns, there's a growing emphasis on building resilient infrastructure. Communities are investing in stronger building codes, better flood defenses, and improved emergency response systems. For example, New Orleans has implemented a series of levees and floodwalls designed to protect the city from storm surges. While these measures are costly, they are essential for safeguarding lives and property. The focus is not just on rebuilding after a storm but on ensuring that new structures can withstand future hurricanes. 7. Community efforts and grassroots movements. Local communities in the South are taking matters into their own hands, forming grassroots movements to address the challenges posed by hurricanes. These groups often focus on raising awareness about climate change, advocating for policy changes, and providing support to those affected by storms. Community-led initiatives, such as neighborhood disaster preparedness programs and volunteer cleanup efforts, play a crucial role in enhancing resilience. These grassroots efforts highlight the power of collective action in the face of adversity. 8. The role of technology and innovation. Technology is playing an increasingly important role in how the South prepares for and responds to hurricanes. Advances in weather forecasting allow for more accurate predictions, giving residents more time to evacuate or prepare their homes. Innovations in building materials and construction techniques are also being explored to create hurricane-resistant structures. Furthermore, digital platforms are being used to coordinate relief efforts and ensure that aid reaches those who need it most. Embracing technology is key to adapting to the changing nature of hurricanes. The American South is in the midst of a profound transformation due to the increasing frequency and intensity of hurricanes. These powerful storms are reshaping not just the physical landscape, but also the social, economic, and environmental aspects of the region. As the South grapples with these changes, the resilience and adaptability of its people will be crucial in navigating the challenges ahead.